Engine swaps have emerged as a hallmark of extreme car modification, captivating enthusiasts who crave not just power, but a legacy of innovation. This involves replacing an original engine with a more robust powerhouse from another vehicle, often requiring meticulous customization of components to fit seamlessly. Enthusiasts often engage in legendary swaps, like transplanting a powerful V8 into a compact car, blending superior performance with lightweight agility. Such modifications demand technical precision, as they alter everything from the car's weight distribution to its overall drivability. This isn't just about boosting horsepower, but about crafting a personalized driving experience that blends raw power with an intimate understanding of engineering excellence.